China is drowning. In just a few days, northern parts of the country, including Beijing and Hebei, have been hit by record-breaking floods. More than 30 people have died, and over 80,000 residents have been forced to evacuate their homes. Roads have disappeared. Villages have turned into lakes. It looks like a disaster movie, but this is real. The question is, what caused it? And why is it getting worse every year? In just 48 hours, the Miyun district of Beijing recorded over 540 millimeters of rainfall. That's more than what the area usually gets in one whole year. Imagine a year's worth of rain. Falling in just 2 days, it triggered deadly landslides, destroyed homes, and flooded entire highways. In some places, the water rose so fast, people had no time to escape. Videos show people trapped on rooftops, vehicles floating through streets, and massive mudslides wiping out everything in their path. This isn't just heavy rain. This is a natural disaster. Entire towns have been cut off from the outside world. More than 130 villages in northern China lost all communication after power lines, and mobile towers were destroyed by the floods. Roads collapsed. Bridges were swept away. Rescue teams couldn't even reach some of the worst-hit areas. In Miyun and Hebei, thousands of people were stuck without food, clean water, or electricity for days. Emergency workers had to use boats and helicopters just to drop supplies. In some videos, we can see people waving desperately from rooftops, waiting for help that never came. China deployed hundreds of soldiers and relief teams, but the rain just kept coming. Each time the water started to go down, another wave of rain would hit again. The rescue operation became a race against time, and nature was not on their side. So why is this happening? Why is China, a country known for massive dams and flood control systems, struggling so badly? Experts say it's a perfect storm of 3 things. First, climate change. Rising global temperatures are making storms more powerful and unpredictable. More heat means more moisture in the air, which leads to heavier rain in a shorter amount of time. Second, urban overdevelopment. In cities like Beijing and Tianjin, more land is being covered by concrete, leaving no space for water to absorb into the ground. So when the rain comes, it has nowhere to go. And third, aging infrastructure. Many flood control systems in northern China were built decades ago, not designed to handle this kind of rainfall. When nature changes faster than technology, disaster is bound to happen. What we're seeing now is not just a flood, but a warning sign to the world. This is not just a flood, it's a warning. What happened in China could happen anywhere. In fact, it's already happening. In India, in Europe, in America. Extreme weather is becoming the new normal. More heat waves, more floods, more disasters, and yet, most people are still not prepared. Governments are still reacting instead of preventing. Cities are still growing without thinking about climate, and millions of lives are being lost. Not because of nature alone, but because we failed to listen. The floods in northern China have taken lives, destroyed homes, and reminded the world of one thing. Climate change is real. It's no longer a distant future. It's here, and if we don't act now, this flood might just be the beginning of something far worse.